Most people are still using AIs like search engines. Let me show you what happens when you treat it like a coworker. I'm getting my Claude certification, Claude Pro, and I've been thinking about how people actually use AI today. And there are 3 stages. Chatbots, ask a question, you get an answer. Assistants, give it context, it helps you work. Agents, AIs that work alongside you. Most people are in between stage 1 and 2. Some of us are deep in stage 3 and exploring what stage 4 will look like. This is Claude's Cowork mode. It's not a chatbot, it's a persistent working session. Recently, I wrote an article titled The Soul of the Machine, which is about giving AI agents characters, not just capabilities. Watch what happens when I share it with my coworker. I asked it 2 questions. Do you have memory? And do you recall our ops platform PaperClip? It knows my architecture, my projects, our entire marathon session from days ago. Then I shared the article, and before I even asked, it predicted what I was going to ask. This is not autocomplete. This is a thinking partner. Then I said, turn this into a real workflow, and it drafted full engineering tickets, parent issues, sub issues for each agent prompt, and labels with priorities. And watch, I'm running this live on PaperClip right now. These are not chatbots, these are teammates going to work. The article's titled The Soul of the Machine. I highly recommend you read it. Link is in the bio. Follow for more.
Wake up, Daddy's home.
Welcome home, sir. Congratulations on the opening ceremonies. They were such a success, as was your Senate hearing. And may I say how refreshing it is to finally see you in a video with your clothing on, sir.